how royal people sip.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
He's just redefining surfing the internet. Every scroll is a new world to explore.
I hit a snowdrift and my dog's head is out the window.
Bruh.
You think this is funny? Take my rage, human.
The shows weren't even that wide.
Is this little guy auditioning for the next Broadway show? How dramatic. Not an athlete. He's the coach, remotely. Me as a new intern, and here is my first day at work.
Flop, flop, do it.
Our brain cells on Monday morning. When you realize your homework is due yesterday.
Love, what are you doing? Love, there's nothing back there. You're literally just gonna fall. What did I say?
I bet her food's so good that even the seagulls are considering a heist.
Do you wanna go home?
Yes, ma'am. Home is where the hay is, right? Guys, this is how you do a proper reunion. Note this down. Tag your friend who needs some tips on how to travel with an extra passenger. Why just ask for food when you can tango for it? When your unexpected health coach is a tiny pinchy crustacean. The hen's secret garden is under construction. Hang in there. When your weird friend is having a moment and you're just trying to chill. These aren't flippers, people. They're tap shoes. Proof that love doesn't care about species. Just fluffy hugs and kisses.
Smile.
Cutest family ever. Can we get 1 million likes for them?
You comfy?
Yes, it's good, ma'am.
Did you let her in?
I did it.
Did you let her in?
When you finally catch that elusive red dot and it tastes like nothing.